Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to build a clothing website on Wix so you can launch your own fashion brand, showcase your unique designs, and start selling your apparel to customers all over the world in 2026. Let's get into it. First, sign up and select a fashion-specific template. The first step is choosing the right foundation for your online boutique. In 2026, Wix has introduced AI-driven templates that are specifically optimized for high-resolution clothing photography and smooth mobile shopping. Go to Wix.com and sign up for an account. Once in the dashboard, click Create New Site and search for Clothing Store in the template library. Look for a template that features a minimalist or candid look. This ensures that your garments, rather than a cluttered background, are the stars of the show. This is the foundation phase. A fashion template comes preloaded with essential pages like a shop page, clothing galleries, and a cart. Starting with a clothing-specific layout saves you hours of manual design on your PC and ensures your site follows the latest e-commerce trends. Next, arranging text, image positioning, and uploading pictures. Now it's time to customize the visual flow of your homepage. You want to arrange your brand messaging and high-quality Blue Hour imagery to guide your viewers toward your collection. Click on any text box to edit your brand story. Use the drag and drop handles to reposition your images for a balanced layout. To bring in your own content, click Change Image and upload your professional photos from your PC to the Media Manager. Aim for an amateur quality yet high-end feel by leaving enough white space between your text and your photos. Lastly, customizing the product page layout, collage, columns, or rows. Once a customer clicks on a clothing item, you want the product details to be displayed in a way that highlights every detail of the fabric and fit. Navigate to your product page in the editor. Click on the product image area. Change the display from a standard drop-down or thumbnail view to a collage, columns, or rows layout. This is the showcase phase. In 2026, fashion shoppers want to see multiple angles of a garment at once. By choosing a collage or rows layout, your images fill the screen as the user scrolls, creating a high-end look similar to luxury fashion sites. This allows your viewers to see the candid details of your clothing without having to click through a tiny gallery. And that's pretty much it. To build a clothing website in 2026, start with a fashion template, then arrange your text and images to create a professional flow. Customize your product page by switching the layout to collage, columns, or rows to showcase your imagery. Set up your payments and shipping, optimize for mobile view, and finally hit publish to launch your brand. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.